Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Type chkdsk /f/r and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command and simply press enter. Then type cd space // and hit enter. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy *.* backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *.* space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *.* space .. and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space // and hit enter. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space // bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space // and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space // and simply hit enter. Now type attrib :/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space /boot /bcd space bcd.olg. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.